All right, everybody. Uh, Morning, 9:20. 9:20, 9:21. Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Oh, I think so. Mm-hmm. We still have no news. Mark that open. Open. London high, Asia low. Session highs and lows. Session highs and lows. ES's London high is basically all-time high, so I just left it as all-time highs. ES is all the way up here. NQ isn't. Fat S&P. I'm honestly bearish. Yeah. That's a 4 hour order block. Um, yeah, I'm honestly like maybe we'll sweep out London High and then go lower. That's kind of what I'm looking at. But we'll see what happens. Honestly, that's all I'm really gonna talk about because there's not a whole lot else. Unless we take out London low or like these lows, I'm really not gonna be interested in trading. So, shit, guys, we'll see what happens. I guess I'm walking away kind of early. I honestly don't see anything. Like daily opened up over here, came down. Nice. What the fuck happened here? What happened at 7:12 p.m. for us to go up? Oh, that's only 20 points. Thought it was a lot more than that. Uh, uh, I mean, this is just kind of sideways. All right, we'll see what happens. So I told you guys what I wanted to see. So I'm gonna see you guys when New York opens. All right, chat. Currently 10:25. I'm not in this trade on my actual Express accounts. However, I am in it on this challenge account. I'm only risking 420. Hey, it's 420. Um, so I don't really care what happens. But so the market went down and people caught these shorts, but I honestly like came down. I don't know, I just wouldn't have taken anything yet. Like I don't really like anything here necessarily. I mean, this is all in hindsight, but I mean once we had this nice displacement down, we could have entered probably like around here. Stops at that high. Targeting the London low, which was somewhere. I don't know where exactly. I think it was these lows here. And that's like straight profit. And then stopped out break even if you held. Actually, you would have still been in it if you held. This black line is a 15-minute fair value gap. Now, the reason why I'm not taking this on my accounts is because number one, is there a fair value gap on there? There is. The reason why I'm not taking this on, I might actually cut this. We'll wait and see what happens. Um, but the reason why I'm not taking this on Express is number one, I'm kind of going against the trend. I mean, if you scale out and look, we are going down, right? Like we did get closures below. I think we did. Yeah, we did. Closures below here. Like we've been kind of trending down since July 21st, since the start of this week. Um, you know, and we rebound into this gap and then we're selling off again. So that kind of makes sense to me on why we did that, but there really just wasn't an entry for me personally, which is fine. So we're against the trend. And also, I don't have a higher time frame fair value gap over here. I actually have, is that a 5 minute one? There's a little 5 minute gap there. But So there's no higher time frame fair value gap supporting this price. For me, I can't really see anything. Like on 15-minute and then so on, there's nothing. So reason number two and reason number three, um, is there's no higher time frame, um, whatchamacallit, inverse, you know? There's no inverse here on the higher time frame. There is on the 1 minute. Like on the 1 minute, this doesn't look necessarily that bad to rebalance up a little bit higher. Like I'm only targeting it like here. I'm not targeting all the way fucking up here, you know? But we're gonna have to wait and see. Kind of looks like ES is trending up higher, and Q kind of is, but it is slowing down a little bit. So we're gonna have to wait and see what happens. I'm gonna be honest, once we take out this short-term high that we put in, which I know is only like 10 points, but I'm thinking that once we take out this high, it's exactly 10 points. Maybe either we take it out or like a body closure. Because if we really are gonna go up and rebalance, we shouldn't come back down. Like that's a nice close. Honestly, you could go break even here because we should not go. If we truly are going to rebalance higher, we shouldn't hit that. We've spent enough time down there. So if it stops me out, it stops me out. I'm gonna watch this on my computer. Um, so yeah, I don't really see anything on my Express accounts. Yeah, I honestly am not that upset.
Order filled.
Like we did have this 2 minute, but and I was stopped at break even, which is fine. Let me cancel this fucking order. I have an appointment at 12 o'clock. I have to leave 12 o'clock, by the way, so I mean, but it's 10:30. I'm not really gonna be looking at the price much longer. So we did tap that. Oh, we didn't tap it, but we took out that short-term high and rejected from it. So I mean, what the fuck is that? And because we also got an S&P. Good thing I went break even. ES tapped into that 15-minute inbound that I marked out. So we actually have an SMT down. I don't know. I don't really like shorting at all-time highs, and this is just kind of like honestly, I didn't think shorts here was that like kind of. I'm gonna be honest. I also kind of wasn't paying attention because I was gonna wait until about 9:50 to trade, and this happened at 9:40. So I don't know, chat. I'm not upset. So I'm gonna see you guys later. It'll probably be. I don't know if I'm gonna trade the rest of it today because I have my appointment at 12:50. I'll be back maybe like I'll be back around like 1:30. We'll look for 10 minutes. If I see something, I'll take it. But if not, then whatever. Um, so yeah, I will see you guys. If I don't see your trade, this will be the last video clip, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I actually have news. It's a Thursday. Am I doing anything on Thursday? I think I am. I have another appointment for something. What time? At noon. At 12 o'clock. So I'll be fine. Um, but yeah, so if I don't see another trade when I come back in the PM session, I will see you guys later. Or I'll see you guys tomorrow. Just to show you guys, look, I want to show you something. So I've been back testing. And I've been trading it like how I normally would without any fear. And this is what we're at. We're at 1914 in 23 days, 70% win rate, which is pretty fucking good. Profit factor, I don't really understand what this is. Whatever. Daily win percentage is 71 because there was days where I took a loss and then took another trade. My average win loss is a little low, but that's kind of like what it is because normally I would get like a around a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio kind of trade, take some profits, and then the rest gets stopped out at break even if I held any runners. That's usually what happens. Or then I'll just lose a little bit. But um, this is the P&L calendar for the month. And I'm doing it for this year. So February, March, April, May, June, July. So I have like 4 or 5 months. Because I want to actually trade these past couple months because price action is a lot different compared to what it was a couple, like a year ago. So honestly, this isn't even that bad. Like one trade for 620, I don't remember what this was. It was a long. I don't know how many micros it was, but I trade micros. This is all micros too. This is not bad. Like I'm positive every week, you know? And a lot, like every trade I've taken has been before 10:30. So, like just knowing that, like I've back tested that and knowing that I do my best after or before 10:30. It's 10:35 right now. I'm not really looking for anything right now. And then this is where we're at right now. The one thing I will say to improve is that I think my winning days like for 110 and stuff like that, I need to have at least I want to say at least $200 because $200 but like 3 micros isn't not that much. 30 points. Oh, chat. The one this is kind of fucked up because I just remembered it. I will trade this, right? So I will okay, say I'm shorting here and I enter short right here, so the top ticket like a fucking G. I'll be bam and my take profit will be like, okay, I think price is gonna go over here, right? What would happen is that price is gonna dump 60 points. Like how many points is this? Almost 70. This would happen when I was back testing. This happened like fucking a lot. So like normally as I'm in a trade like for real, I'm watching the price, right? Like I'm watching how many points I'm up or down. Just because like around like 30 points, I'm taking profit, like I am. But when I'm back testing, I don't take profit really. I kind of let it go or I get stopped out at break even, which is why some of these winners are where they are. Like a lot of these should actually be higher, but because like I've just like I fast forward price like bam 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 bam, all of a sudden I'm up like 70 points. I don't realize it. I keep playing price and I get stopped out at break even or it hits take profit or whatever. But I need to pay more attention and to see that when I'm up like 50, 60, 70 points, which has happened almost every fucking day, to actually take profit. So, the results are kind of skewed in that sense. The losses are normal because I mean, the losses are, I mean, they're normal. Can I say how many points it was? No, I can't. Does this mean I took 2 trades? Yeah, so I took uh, a break even and a little loss. But look, all my losses are like 130. And my winners are like 620, 530, 237, 256. Like this one, and this one were like break even ones or whatever that got stopped out. But I was up like 70 points. So is this one. This one was a break even. Like, I need to take profit. Anyway, I'm fucking rambling. I'm gonna see you guys later. If I take a trade, I'll see you, in a second. If I don't take a trade, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.